Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your earbuds POLY Voyager 360 on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to search. Click on search line or click on search here and write POLY Lens. Now search and you should install this application. Check, continue, allow. You can watch on it or you can skip it, so I'm going to skip it. Allow. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!